Alright, here's a little sound clip of my Riva Racing exhaust. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to install the Riva Racing exhaust. I'll do a little before and after of the sound, and basically what this is going to do is just delete this plastic resonator box here. I'm still going to use the factory water box for now. I'll do a little stock startup. Alright, I'm going to throw this thing on. I'll come back with the new exhaust clip afterwards. Alright guys, the free flow exhaust is on now. That replaced all of this stuff here, these sound suppression box and that little pipe. Also in the back. Little tip, something I found out was this is like a quick release here. Just pop that, push and pop that loose, and this comes down, so when you need to access these bolts here, you can. Alright, I'll do a startup for you guys. Sounds so much meaner now. Can't wait to get it out on the river and take it for a test drive. Thanks for watching.